Subtracting mixed numbers. In this problem, we want to look at what we're trying to do here. 11 and 2/3 minus 1 and 5/6. And you want to make sure before we add or subtract fractions that we have a common denominator. In this case, we do not. We have a 3 and a 6. So I'm noticing that 3 is a factor of 6. So I know that I can scale up this 2/3 to make an equivalent fraction of 4/6 by multiplying the denominator and the numerator both by 2. So I've renamed 2/3 as 4/6. So my new problem here is 11 and 4/6 minus 1 and 5/6. Step 2 is subtracting the fractions. 4/6 minus 5/6. So if you notice, subtraction is not commutative. That means 4 minus 5 is not the same as 5 minus 4. We can't just change the order. If we try to take away 5 from 4, you might notice that we don't have enough to do that. So what can we do? We are actually going to borrow from the whole number piece of the 4/6. So remember, our problem here is 11 and 4/6. So we can borrow from this 11. What does that look like? I can take 11 and I can break it down to, it's just really 10 plus 1. Now this 1 whole here, I'm going to represent that as 6 over 6 because my denominators are 6. Anything over itself is equal to 1 whole. So I'm now just rewritten that 11 as 10 plus 6 over 6. And remember, I have that fractional part of 4/6 that I need to add. Now I can add the fractional pieces. 6/6 plus 4/6 gives me 10/6 here, and I have the whole number of 10. Now I have enough in the numerator of my fraction that I can subtract my fractions. 10/6 minus 5/6 is equal to 5/6. Now our next and final step is that I can subtract my whole numbers. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So my answer here is 9 and 5/6.